Hey guys, it's Miss Guy. I am going to be your ACA instructor for the remainder of the semester, and I just wanted to take a moment to reach out and say welcome to ACA OL62. I'm glad to have you, and I hope that over the next 8 weeks you learn some things about Nash Community College and you're ready to start the spring semester when it gets here. So let me first get started with telling you a little bit about myself and the course, and then I'll show you what you can do right now between now and Monday when the class starts. So if you're watching this video, you likely have received an email from me. Inside of that email, it kind of walks you through some things that you can be planning to do on Monday. And it also talks to you about my introduction, how I got to the point of being an ACA instructor and a sociology instructor here at Nash Community College. So feel free to read through that. And if you're wondering what ACA is, it is Nash Community College's College Transfer Success course. We do require that all students take ACA here. And it is a course designed to help you be successful in college and at Nash. So there are certain things in this course that are very general that can be applied to any student. And then there are Nash specific things. So hopefully you're going to find something in each session that you can apply and use for yourself. Please know that you're not going to find everything super beneficial because you already have strengths. And so some things that we go over and review, you may already be strong in that area, but someone else may not. And so they may benefit greatly. And then you already have weaknesses, just like everybody does. And there may be sections of the course that you benefit greatly from because of your current weakness. Every time I teach this course, every semester I go through these same topics and I always learn. So especially in the time management section, I'm gaining information every semester that I teach time management. So I hope that you'll find something to attach to and help you become a more successful student. For starters, in order to get ready for Monday, I'm going to walk you through what you are allowed to access now. So if you're looking here, you're going to see that my screen is on the Nash Community College homepage. So up here in the top, it's www.nashcc.edu. You're going to click on this orange student portal button, and when you do, a drop-down menu will come up. This is a way that you can access your Nash Community College email. And this is also where we will access this link, Curriculum Moodle. When you click on that link, you are going to be asked to sign in. So my screen's going to look a little bit different from yours because I'm already signed in. So you will use your same username and password that you use to get into your email account. Just don't type in the @st.nashcc.edu. That's not part of your username. That's part of your email address. Once you sign in using the same username and password for email, you're going to see a screen pretty similar to what you see here. What you can do over the weekend is you can do this student orientation, and you're going to see that right here in the middle of your screen. You will not be able to access this ACA course until Monday. So if you see, mine is over here on the right-hand side and it's kind of grayed out. So it's not live until the class technically starts, which is Monday. But all students are required to complete the student orientation, and you can do that now. So you'll hit this continue button and you'll actually start an orientation that walks you through a series of videos and questions. When you get to the end of that orientation, you will be given a certificate and it will download right to your computer. That certificate is going to be needed in order to actually get started in the ACA course. Now on Monday, when you come to Moodle, you'll be able to click on the ACA course. It'll be over here on the right-hand side under My Courses. If you don't see something on the right-hand side on Monday, feel free to click on this button up in the upper left corner with the 3 horizontal lines, and your courses would be over there as well. So that's two ways to get to it. Now, once you get to the class on Monday, there are a few things that have to be done. I call them housekeeping items. They are not things that I particularly want to require. They're just things that are required. And so you will see when we get to the course on Monday that I have some information posted at the top. There is a link for our course syllabus. There is a link for due dates, also displayed for you here. And then there is a grading breakdown document that just shows you which each assignment turns into which category. So all of that is for your review. What you are going to see first is this section called Enrollment Verification Activity. So there are 2 things you have to do in this section in order for the rest of the course to open up. So you will click on this link, Enrollment Verification Activity, and it's going to ask you 3 or 4 questions about, have you clicked on the syllabus? Just some minute questions. So you'll answer those questions and it will open up this link that says upload your NCC orientation certificate here. That is what I showed you on the Moodle page right here that you can do this weekend. So you will click on this link and you will actually put your certificate in there. Once you submit your certificate in that link, it will open up session 1 for you, and then you can get started working in the course. For session 1, the due date will be on Monday, October the 25th. All of our due dates for this course will be on Mondays. You will do 2 items a week, and session 1 starts off with a language of responsibility assignment. When you click on this assignment, you're going to read the directions. There is a responsibility model link here that teaches you about responsibility, and there is an assignment. I'm going to give you more information about these assignments in a different video, but I just want to show you what they're going to look like in this particular Getting Started video. And then the second assignment for session 1 is going to be a journal. So that is an article that you're going to read, or you can be read to, and then you're going to answer some questions. So I just kind of want to take this opportunity just to show you kind of what is going to happen on Monday and what you can look forward to seeing on Monday. I will have another video with detailed instructions for session 1 for you to watch before you actually get started in the work. Please know that I am only an email away. And if you need more help than what I can give you in an email, you and I can video chat together, and I can help walk you through things. I can answer detailed questions. I just want you to know that I'm here to support you, and I am excited to get this 8-week Late Start ACA course off the ground. I hope that you have a fantastic weekend and that you're ready to get started in ACA on Monday. Just remember, over the weekend, even though you cannot access our course, you can go ahead and do the student orientation, because that is something that you will have to submit into the course before session 1 work opens. Y'all have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.